So special thanks to this company for sending us their 15-piece kitchen knife set. Got some information here of everything that's included. Scissors, sharpener, 4.5-inch steak knife. You get 6 of those. 3.5-inch paring knife, 5-inch utility knife. You get a 7-inch, I don't know how to say that word. It's out of my language. 8-inch slicer knife, 8-inch bread knife, and an 8-inch chef knife. And there's like a photo of them. They're nice, black, sleek, love it. And that's the same picture there. So let's open this up. 15-piece set. See what we got. All right, so this box probably houses all the knives. And this box, is this just an empty box? Yep, that's just an empty box. There's our brick. And then, well, that's it for the box. Take a look at this. Ooh, it's nicely wrapped in plastic. Look at this, it's all even labeled. So that's the back. Wow. And then the top actually has all of these labeled. Very cool. I've never seen one label it like that. I personally really like that. It helps me know what I'm getting because I would not know otherwise. Let's put this together. Here's all of our knives. So, bada bing. Wow. So here is the steak knife. Very, very nice. Love the black look. That's just so sleek. And that's another steak knife, another steak knife. These all look the same. Steak knives are all identical. You get 6 of them, but very nice and serrated. Wow, these look good. All right, now we got the scissors. Very nice. Wow, amazing. Let's go here. This is the sharpener to sharpen your knives. This is the paring knife. I just love the black look. They feel super sharp. Wow. Paring knife is here. This is the utility knife. Very nice. Utility knife is here. This is the slicer knife. I just love the handles. It has a great grip to it too. Very, very nice. These are nice knives. Slicer knife goes here. It even has that sound like Michael Myers. This is the bread knife. This is the knife that I don't know how to say the name here. And then lastly, the chef's knife, the Michael Myers knife. Very nice. I love the black look. I've never seen black knives like this. I think these look amazing. That one goes there. And that's it for your knife box. All right, and so here is what this knife set would look like on your kitchen counter next to your stove. I like the logo in the front, steak knives displayed, everything else back here and labeled. 2 massive thumbs up. I really think this knife set looks amazing and is perfect for any household. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.